Hey there, it's Tabitha Caro, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to crank out a really quick and cool reel or TikTok that just shows your camera roll. It looks like it does with whatever you want to do, whether it's video footage from your store, your products, or it's personal, of your family, of an outing, something like that. Whatever you want will work for this reel and it will stand out as well. So let's get started. First, you need the CapCut app, and you're going to need about 9 videos and or photos. So I just recommend going through your camera roll, picking out the ones that you want, and you're going to want to add those to an album so that they're easy to find. So that's what I did first of all already, and then you're going to want to click on the link that is in the description of this video, and when you tap on it, hopefully this is what you're going to see, and you'll want to make sure you have the CapCut app downloaded to your phone as well. We're going to use that, and all you have to do is tap use template and add from your camera roll. So I'm going to go to the one that I created for this. I'm going to select those 9 clips, and they need to be about 5 seconds, 5.2 seconds long in order to be added, unless they're photos. But the videos look better to me, in my opinion. Now, what you want to do, if maybe you have longer videos that need to be trimmed, you're just going to tap on a video till you get the edit, and then you could replace it if you decide it looks better somewhere else in the video, or you want to crop it. When you go to crop, that is where you can also trim. So you could crop with your fingers and make it more zoomed in, but you can also go and find the best part of your video. And this was helpful too if you have one video that you're using for multiple sections. So go through cropping and adjusting, zooming in as needed. So to save it, then you'll go to export, and you can save and share to TikTok without the CapCut watermark and with whatever music they have, or you can save to device with the CapCut watermark, which is very little, very small. Now I would recommend, if you're going to share this really anywhere, you want to choose audio within that app. So I actually have for you in the description of this video, I have an audio from Instagram that I recommend you using, but any easy nice sounding audio will work with this, because it's just a kind of looping reel video. So all you do is go use audio. Once you click on that audio in the description of my video, add in your video, go to next, and I doubt you want to add any text, but maybe you do. Add in captions, make sure you change that cover to the very best looking part of the reel, and then you are ready to post your photo camera roll app type reel or TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this. If you post this to Instagram, please tag me at Teacherpreneur Tips. I would love to share it to my stories, get you some more views. And if you have any questions or issues with this tutorial, let me know in the comments. If you'd like to see more reel template type videos like this one, also please let me know, and I hope to see you in the next video.